Imagine seeing the market's hidden activity, order stacking, liquidity shifting, momentum building, all in real time. And that's what order flow trading platforms like Bookmap promise. I put it to the test to see if it's the real deal or just an overpriced charting tool, and here's what I discovered. But before I even considered trusting this order flow platform, I did what I always do when trying out an order flow chart software for the first time, and that's going straight to the user reviews, or starting to try anything for the first time, really. And when I look at the reviews, I don't just focus on the 5-star praise and all the good words and stuff like that. I go right to the 1-star warnings, the kind that really make you hesitate before you click sign up. And I came across one review that really stood out to me. It was from a trader who said that the onboarding was incredibly cumbersome and that the customer service wasn't very timely. He also highlighted paying for the software, but that he couldn't even use it for 2 full days. And that's the kind of thing that really makes you pause, right? Because if you're paying for a premium tool, you expect to start using it immediately. But here's what I noticed. That kind of review did seem to be a rare case, not the common experience at all. And honestly, with any order flow analysis software, especially a powerful order flow trading platform like Bookmap, there can be like some hiccups with the setup here and there, so that kind of thing does happen. And on the flip side, though, the overwhelming majority of users had the exact opposite experience. The platform holds a 4.6 out of 5-star rating, and many users absolutely swear by it. One longtime user called it his weapon for serious traders. He said that it completely changed his game, giving him real-time heat maps, volume bubbles, and the ability to see liquidity in a way that he never could before. He even praised the customer support. Another user didn't hesitate to fully endorse the value, saying that it revolutionized his understanding of market behavior after 20 years of trading. He specifically highlighted the integrated education portion, calling the teaching methodology really phenomenal. And that's not something people say very lightly. Like, traders are not going to stick around a forex order flow software that doesn't deliver a serious edge and good content and tools. So, my takeaway here, the occasional negative review is a good reminder that no order flow chart platform has it all or is perfect or will satisfy everyone. But the overwhelming sentiment here is that this is a powerful tool for those who are serious about understanding workflow. So after digging into the reviews, I wanted to see for myself what makes this trading order a flow platform really tick. Because a lot of order flow trading software will talk a really big game, but once you log in, it can feel like the same recycled features. So after using Bookmap daily, here's what actually stood out to me. So let's start with what I think is the absolute killer feature, and that's the Multibook. So this isn't a simple order book tracker. Multibook is an exclusive data feed that combines instruments from different exchanges into one consolidated view. Instead of trying to piece together data from the NASDAQ and the NYSE separately, you see the aggregated trading activity, the combined order book data, and way more market volume all from a single chart. It felt less like guessing and more like actually seeing the entire market's momentum unfold. And unlike other competitors like TradingView, which is fantastic for broad charting and social features, Bookmap is built for one thing and one thing mostly, and that's visualizing the market's microstructure in real time. TradingView shows you what already happened with candles and indicators, and Bookmap shows you the battle that's ongoing between buyers and sellers as it happens, like tick by tick. But it doesn't stop there either. The ability to trade directly from the chart is a game changer. You can see exactly what orders are placed, modified, canceled, or executed. Even if you execute trades on another platform, you can connect your account and monitor your orders as if they were placed right inside of Bookmap. So that integration between Bookmap and others is like seamless and really useful. Then there's the iceberg orders tracker. If you've ever wondered where those large hidden orders are sitting, what they're doing, like the ones that move the market but aren't fully visible, this feature exposes them. You see the tip of the iceberg order, and more importantly, you see the hidden size beneath it. That's actionable intelligence that you don't just get on most platforms. And for developers and algorithmic traders, there's the automated strategies section, and the Bookmap quant solution are also where things get really powerful. Like, this isn't just a retail trader tool, it's used by prop firms and banks because it supports custom data feeds, proprietary indicators and high-level integration. And I've got to mention the add-ons manager too. So early versions required manual installation of add-ons, which could be like a bit clunky, but now it's more of a streamlined system that lets you easily discover, install, and update tools right from the platform. But where Bookmap truly stands out as the best order flow software is in its clarity. The heat map isn't just a pretty visual, it's a real time narrative of supply and demand. You see liquidity building, you see it collapsing, and you can make decisions based on what's happening now, not what happened 5 minutes ago. So, after months of use, it became clear to me that Bookmap isn't just another charting program, it's a market visualization tool that gives you a tangible edge if you know how to read it. So, is Bookmap the best order flow trading software? For me, absolutely. But is it perfect? No. If I had to point to one downside, it's that there is a learning curve. Like, this isn't a platform that you just open and instantly understand. If you're coming from a basic candlestick charting platform, like the heat map, the volume bubbles, the order flow data, like this can all feel overwhelming at first for sure. You can't just jump in and expect to be like profitable on day one. You have to be willing to learn how to read the story that the market is telling you. But honestly, I came to see this not as a weakness, but as a strength, right? Like, this isn't a toy for casual investors. It's a professional grade tool for serious traders who want an edge. The depth of information is what you're paying for. They offer extensive educational resources and a knowledge base to get you up to speed, but it does require an investment of your time up front. But once I dedicated like a few days to understanding the features, tools, and everything I could do, like the platform really just transformed from overwhelming to indispensable. The learning curve is there, but it's a curve that leads to a significant advantage. And when it comes to cost, Bookmap is not the cheapest order flow software out there, but for what it delivers, I found it to be really reasonably priced for active traders. If you're a casual investor who only checks the markets like once a week, it might be more than you need. But if you're serious about day trading, scalping, or gaining a genuine market microstructure edge, the value is absolutely there. And the best part is that they often run promotions. So for the most current pricing plans and any available discounts, check the link in the description below. So after months of testing, is Bookmap the best order flow trading platform? In my experience, yeah, it delivers unparalleled market visibility, real-time order flow tools, and features that genuinely provide an edge. It's not for everyone. It's more built for dedicated traders willing to climb that ladder and that learning curve and put the effort and time in. But if that's you, it can completely change how you see the markets. Check the link in the description to see their current pricing and to get started.